How to add more position for your stock. Today, I'm going to use my indicator to teach you how to add position easily. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. So today, I'm going to show you my trick, how to add more position, okay? So basically, I want to show you this. So this is my signature indicator. You can subscribe to this indicator bundle. You can unsubscribe anytime if you don't like it. Just try. So this blue one, I call YM Club 88. Okay. So basically the direction of this line can tell us this is upward trend or downward trend. First, do we hold any stock when this is going downward? No, basically no. We try to sell it when the stock drop below this blue line. Okay, so it's very easy indicator when they go downward. Okay, so and then the second one, the red line is YM Club 88, but I changed to 21. So basically, you just click this button setting, and you can change the length into 21. This is more sensitive and it's perfect for short-term investor, for short-term holder, short-term trader. Okay, so how to use this? The red line, this can tell us this is downward trend or upward trend when the stock or your coins go above this line. This is the first buy signal, basically for short-term holder. Okay, easy. When they go above, you just buy it. Done. And you can also match with this indicator called structure line. So or I teach you in the end of the video. So basically, when is the second buy time for Tesla with my indicator strategy? The second buy time is when the stock go above the blue line. For example, here. You see, they go up. First, go above the blue line. Second, go both above both line, basically blue and red. The Club 88 and Club 21 line, they go above, for example, this candle. And the second criteria is use the cheapest, YM cheapest indicator. On that candle, the red bar has to go above this purple line. The red bar has to go above this purple line because this indicator can tell us the chips coming in. Like what is chips? It's like the organization. Let's say the red bar is organization. So you want to follow them. Are they really coming in or not? So this one means they're gaining money. So they are increasing the chips. Okay, fair enough. Okay, I hope I explain you good enough. So when is the next buying time? Which is when this go up, go above this blue line. And then this is our second buy-in timing, okay? So far it's good because the red is turning upward. So when the red turning upward, there's a chance they go above this blue line. The whole candle go above, okay? So very easy, very easy strategy. They go above both line and then check this one, the cheapest, and the red go above purple line. Done. The purple is the average, the moving average for this red bar. Okay, so very easy strategy. Okay, so the other trick is I want to teach you this trick for a long time, called structure line. So basically, it's an ascending structure. So this one, okay, let me change this. Okay, so now you can see what is structure line. So basically this indicator, this counting way is also including in my bundle. This one you can do it by yourself also. Quite easy, but of course easier when they show automatically, right? So the first candle, the closing price is higher than 4 days ago, which is this. See, closing price higher than 4 days ago. And the first candle, we say K1. 1 day before, the closing price is lower than 4 days ago. So it's lower. So this one is candle 1. This structure can go to 9 candle. 9 candle is quite average, I would say. 9 candle. What does it mean, 9 candle? Like continuously, every candle, the closing price is lower than 4 days ago. Every candle, the closing price is lower than 4 days ago. You see here? Higher than 4 days ago. And this one, the closing price, higher than 4 days ago. This one, the closing price is higher than 4 days ago. This one, the closing price is higher than 4 days ago. Higher than 4 days ago. Again, this one, higher than 4 days ago here, right? And this one, the closing price, this one is higher than the closing price here. So it means this is the nice structure, okay? But what we need here is candle 1. So you just remember the first one, okay? But what does it mean, the ascending structure? It means when we go up or even go down, we have a momentum, and usually it lasts for 9 candle, okay? When it's just like you blow the candle or you push a car. So it's like it's very strong in the beginning, and then the power go less and less and less. So we use 9 candle. Does it make sense to you? Every closing price is higher than 4 days ago. So it's continue for 9 candle. This is structure 9. So you can mark 9 candle. 9th candle is quite important. When this fresh green candle, it means they still have momentum to go up. Because imagine after 9th candle, they still higher than 4 days ago. So it means it still have a green candle, real green candle. It means they still have momentum to go up. It's a strong stock. When this candle is a red candle, or it's a fake green candle, so basically it is decreasing, it means they will basically, it's finished, this nice structure, it will go down. The momentum is less, they will go down. So I will show you some example later. But what we need to use is the first candle. If we combine the strategy I just told you, if that candle is the K1 candle, this is powerful, okay? So I'm going to show you how. So basically, it's also including in my indicator bundle. So this one, the candle go above both live is candle 1. Okay, so you buy, it means strong stock basically. If this is candle 9, you need to be careful. If this is green candle 9, you need to be careful because the momentum is the least already. It's already the end, unless they have the green candle, okay? So usually number 1 is the best. And then you match first, go above both line, both indicator. Second, our cheapest indicator is go above the red, go above the purple line. It's already really good, right? Already you can buy it. And if you have an indicator 1, the first candle, this is a bonus. Okay? Clear? And you just hold the stop because it's going upward. Okay? Easy. So now when we can buy the second time, which is this one need to go above the blue line and the red line. One candle go above both. And this cheapest, the red has to go above the purple line. The bonus is this number is K1. That's it. It's not so complicated. So you can subscribe to try my indicator. It's very cheap right now. So basically you can unsubscribe anytime. And I love this indicator because it's so easy to use, okay? Okay, so for example, I want to give you some more example. For example, here, okay, here. They go above both line, but it's candle number 5. So, but you can still buy, you just sell it when it's later on. But it means the growth is not so big. It will come down later, okay? So, but still okay to buy. Even you don't use this the way they can, you can still buy this, okay? You buy, when do you sell? You can, it depends on how aggressive you are. You can sell when they drop below this red or they drop below this blue. So we have different selling strategy also. So today I focus on when can you buy the second time, because with our strategy, basically you can buy with RSI, but it's funny, RSI come the same day when the candle go above this red line. So with let's say my subscriber, they already bought this here, so they just need to wait, okay, to see how far can they go up. Okay, so this is point number one. Point number two is they go above the blue line, and this cheapest go above this average also. What does it mean go above the average? It means this is strong. This is strong stock, okay? If this is weak, look at this. The purple line always above the red line. The worst is they declining. You see? So very easy indicator to use. And you can match with this indicator as well to buy at the first candle here. Okay, easy. I will put the link below. I also mentioned a free strategy, how to buy with the Guppy indicator, not indicator, but like how to buy basically here. When they go above, you buy, okay? But so far there's no signal. So I don't want to confuse you too much, but with my indicator, so easy. First, buy here. Second, buy here, done. Okay, for example, here, first buy here, second buy here, done. Is it easy? So easy. So why this one fail? Tell me why this one fail. First, if you buy here, the red line, okay, first when you buy is candle number 3, okay? And then the red line basically never go up. The red line have to turn up. If it doesn't turn up, there's no way, there's no chance they can go above the blue line. There's no way, okay? So, for example, you buy here, and what happened is you will cut loss here, you buy again, and you go all the way up, okay? So this is quite a easy one. Oh, by the way, how to cut loss if they don't go to the good direction, if they don't go up, how to cut loss? Basically, let's say you buy in this candle, right? Today I'm going to tell you how to be the long-term investor or swing trader. You buy at this candle. The lowest price of this candle is your cut loss price. You always need to know your cut loss price, otherwise don't do any trade. Because indicator can tell you 70% of the trend. That's it. But it is, how about the other 30%? So you need to protect yourself to set a cut loss price not too far from your buying price. So this candle, the lowest price would be your cut loss price. Okay, easy. Okay, so for example, this one, you buy here. Does it touch the cut loss price? No. Okay, so this is the trick, how to buy this. But for a very long-term investor, just wait until they go above the blue line, which you make crazy money also. I show you how much you can make. For example, you use this strategy. Let's say you buy here at the first candle. You are not aggressive investor, so you don't want to buy lower than this. So you basically selling at this candle, you're making 66% in 43 trading days. Oh, in 43 trading days. Okay, so basically 2 months, you make 66% return. Do you like it? Okay, I make another example. Okay, this one is smaller profits because this one is number 5, but you can still buy and you sell here. You still make 66%. Okay, in 35 days, trading days, which is like around 2 months, right? Okay, yeah, 53 days. Okay, so very easy. When the long-term holder, if you really don't want to lose money, you're more relaxed, more chill, just wait. When they go above this blue line, and the best is the blue line going flat and upward. or upward. Flat or upward. Why? Because sometimes when they go above this blue line, and I'm going to show you something. They go above this blue line, they buy. What happens is this blue line is still turning downward. When it's turning downward, it's not cool. Okay, you want to be a little bit like less down, like this, like a curve going on. Okay, if you buy here, it's fine, but you will need to set a cut loss price, as I mentioned. Okay, and here you can see this is on the 6th candle already. On the 6th candle already, so there's no momentum to go up. That's why I say why you need this indicator also, or you need to know how to count it. Okay, so it is pretty cool indicator, and the best is the blue line turning upward. You see here, turning upward. Yeah, so match with this. So for example, this is number 1, and they go above both line. And this one, they also go above this purple line. So you bought, right? You keep. You want to be a long-term holder. You say, oh, the blue quite good. So you keep it. But when the stock go below this blue line, you need to be careful. And also this blue line is turning downward. You see? So you can sell here. Okay? So, or if you want to maximize your profits, you need to combine with this red line. You buy here, you sell when they go below here, and then they start to have like number 9, which is the number 9, and then they go downward, and even fresh the red number 1. Red number one means descending structure 1. So the opposite of the criteria I just mentioned you, okay? So easy strategy. So right now, what should we do? First, wait for the stock go above this blue line. Basically, both line. It will go above both line. One candle go above both. Second, cheapest, the red bar has to go above this purple line. Okay? And the cut loss price is the candle, the best is optional, but the best is number 1. The best, okay? And the cut loss price is the candle go above both line, the lowest price. Okay, so today I give you a complete strategy how to buy very safe for long-term holder. Okay, so I hope you like this channel, and I hope to subscribe to the indicator to try it at least for 1 month. Otherwise, you have no idea how powerful it is, and I'm sure you will make a lot of money from this if you can master it, if you understand. And this is so easy. Okay, so I will keep you updated how to use this indicator bundle, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.